This project focuses on retention and career progression of racially minoritized early career researchers in UK higher education.
This project on advancing racial equity in development studies has been a key one for the DSA. We were delighted when the Academy of Social Sciences funded it. As the project highlights, there is a lot of EDI activity in academia, but the outcomes are lagging.
As the head of a Department for International Development, I can clearly see the challenges to progression outlined in the report. We wanted to collectively create a resource that not only analysed the problem, but also suggested everyday actions we could take to address them. While the report comes down heavily and appropriately on structural factors, it also suggests that small things, for example always giving feedback on job applications, being a sponsor as well as a mentor to early career colleagues, can make a big difference. This is something I'm now prioritising as a result of the powerful evidence provided by the report.
7 in-person workshops were held across the nation in King's College London, University of Birmingham, University of Edinburgh. Over 60 plus racially minoritized early career researchers attended these workshops. Across the workshops, participants included final year PhDs, postdoctoral researchers, teaching fellows, staff on fixed term and precarious hourly paid contracts.
This workshop series facilitated the sharing of experiences between racially minoritized scholars from around the country, but it also facilitated engagement with more established scholars who were able to share their experiences, insights and tips for our progression within the sector. Interestingly, our discussions were not from the vantage point of rose-tinted glasses, but were actually located in the context of wider challenges to the higher education and the development sectors, and were realistic but not doom-laden, because they were accompanied by tips and strategies and plans to help us navigate the challenges.
Being in a space with other racially minoritized scholars made me feel very welcome and safe.
Being in a space with other racially minoritized scholars makes me feel I'm part of the community. I still remember the first time I joined the workshop, and then we take turn to talk about the challenges we faces or any experience we had in the UK. And then when someone talk about the difficulty in visa application, I instantly feel I can relate it, and I felt that finally there's someone understand the challenges.
EDI is quite a buzzword in academia these days, and as part of this committee within the DSA, our main aim and focus was to appreciate the gap that is prevalent between rhetoric and practice. And accordingly, the project that was designed was to basically explore the kind of obstacles that early career researchers of color faced in their career navigations. And the other part of the project was, through trainings and workshops, help these early career researchers or scholars of color to navigate these kinds of circumstances.
Interesting, interactive, and also timely, much needed session or workshop series. It made me feel included, empowered.
I was so happy to take part in the workshop series for racially minoritized scholars in the UK. What stood out for me was the openness and generosity of established academics in sharing their journeys. What made it so special was the fact that they also belonged to this group, and so they mentored us, gave us practical advice on how to publish, how to become visible, and even how to navigate our careers in the UK.
Meaningful change, of course, requires both structural transformation but also relational infrastructure, so that, as one participant put it, EDI is in the DNA and not just in the activities.
Across these locations, participants consistently described these workshops as the first genuinely safe academic spaces that they've experienced in the UK. Spaces where they didn't have to justify, explain, or dilute their experiences.